So I have been sent this compact rolling standing desk by the brand, and I want to share some of the features with you, how it works. At the end of this, I will show you how it looks out of the box and go over some of the assembly and how long it took me. If that's interesting to you, I'll put that at the end. Now, I will bring you closer in a second, but I just kind of want to show you it is nice and rolly. It does have wheel locks, so you can lock them. We'll go over that in a second. But this is a 17-inch laptop. So you can see I can open it up. I have room for the mouse left or right, depending which hand you're on, hand you are, and you can put like a drink or something or a notepad on here with you. So although smaller, not too tiny. So we can roll it over here out of the way when you're done with it. I'm gonna bring you closer. So as you can see, it's got this here that you can prop a tablet in, and it has spaces here. You can do your phone or your tablet, and you can drop cords through, which is real nice. Okay. Again, this is what it looks like up close with the 17-inch laptop. Most people have smaller, like 15-inch, so you're gonna have even more room. I wanted to use the largest laptop we had in the house to kind of show you. Now, as I mentioned, it does have wheel locks. You can actually do that with your foot. They are on all four wheels. Now, to adjust the height, you're just going to move these two knobs here. We'll go over that in just a second. But for now, we're going to roll this into the other room to show you some other uses for it. Again, this rolls real nice. So here I'm taking it over one carpet, kind of over here, taking it around a couple of things here, navigating through some things, and over here to another rug, up here, and it's navigating fine. So as you can see, I have brought it in here in front of my sofa and knocked over a cup in the process. I should pick that up. Okay, we're going to lower it so I can sit on it in front of the couch, on the couch in front of the TV, and show you another use for it here. So now you can see I've got it here with me in front of the TV, so I could swap the computer out for a dinner plate and have dinner. Or I could sit here and work in front of the TV, whichever. But if I want to raise it again, here is how I raise it. I forgot to show you how I lowered it, so I will show you how I raise it. So I'm just going to come over here, lift this up, and tighten these knobs in, like so. This is the height I want. And now I can stand again. I don't know if you can see me. So, okay, let's open her up and see how hard it is to put it together, and then we'll go over all the features. Okay, here is everything out of the box. Not a lot of pieces, which is nice. Here's all the pieces, like all the tools that you need come with it. So let's get started. Okay, about 5 minutes in, and we're done the step 1 on the instructions here. Now, one thing to keep in mind, this is really easy to put together wrong if you don't line things up. You just want to make sure that like these parts are facing the same direction, right here and here. But yeah, all right, so we're just gonna keep going. Okay, next up, we just attached, we dropped these two in, we attached this bar. I still need to tighten it here and here. We put the two knobs in here and here. This is what's gonna control the up and down. And then we put this knob and bolt in here, and the same on the other side, and that's what controls it from dropping any further. Okay, now the only thing left is put the top on and secure that. So you want to make sure that when you do put the top on, you make sure that the piece with the slot is facing the back with the knobs. All right, and here it is put together. I would say count on like 15 to 20 minutes for a conservative, taking your time putting it together. So if you're looking for a compact computer desk that is mobile, that you can either slide out of the way or move from room to room, and you were looking at it, I hope that this review over how to kind of assemble it, how it works, and kind of giving you an idea of the size has helped you.